to show you how to remove disc brake pads. Today, this is the Shimano hydraulic disc system. So first of all, we will need to remove the front wheel. We're going to remove the safety pin clip on the back, like so. Also going to remove the pad retaining pin. Now the pad pin is removed. Now we are going to remove the pads from the caliper. How to do this is grab both of them and pull towards the back, give them a gentle little pull and they will both pop out. Be careful that you do not lose the spring in the middle. Now we are going to reset the pistons. What we need to do is push the piston back. Now the pistons are fully pushed back into the caliper. Before we refit these pads, I just want to let you know that we'll double check to see whether they have a left and a right hand side pad. Please also make sure that the spring is installed correctly inside. Now we are going to reinstall the pads, making sure the left pad and the right pad are in the right place. To do this, is literally locate them into the top, push down, and there you go. Now we are going to reinstall the pad retaining pin. So what I need to do is locate it through the centre of the pads, screw it back in. Key safety thing, make sure you put on the retaining clip on the other side. All fitted nice and neatly, pads will not come out. Now we are going to reinstall the front wheel back into the forks. The front wheel a bit of a spin to just check. Pull the brake a couple of times just to reset the pistons and the pads. All done. And thank you for watching our little video on how to remove and install new brake pads into the Shimano hydraulic brake. Thank you very much.